Do you want to impress your friends with a great surprise for them at school? If you want to, you can. I ain't doing this without your help. You are going to need wooden screwers and paint, green paint, and green construction. Paper sunflowers and stickers. Snack cups and sunflower seeds, Spanish moss. All this stuff I found at my Hobby Lobby. Unless that's just fine with you. Just give me a hand after I do all the work and stuff. This will be the stem of the sunflower. My mommy plugged in the glue gun for the gluing process, and right now I am the one painting this one. My mommy put a little bit of hot glue right there. So I am putting the flower right where she put the hot glue. And there. I'm going to do that same for the leaves. It's timing for the decorating for the cup. I love this part. I can't even get the good stuff. Boom! Tricky little booger. Ta-da! I'm mixing up the salted and the yummy sugary sunflower seeds. I'm pre-skipping all these seeds into the bowl. One for me. This part you might need help with a parent, but I don't. Boom. Done. You're gonna want to seal your bag. The ones that you smell, I eat. And then stuff it in the snack cup. And then stick the flower in there. Boom. Last step is to decorate with the Spanish moss. Easy peasy. Your friends are totally gonna love you. Oh, you're so cool. Ta-da. Keep up with your good work. It's time. So come along and skedaddle. Dun, 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 dun.